इदानीं गीताध्यानश्लोकः।
गीताध्यानश्लोकाः। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्ण प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटं नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितं लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरः पेदीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारत पंकजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। अथ गीता माहात्म्यम्। गीताशास्त्रमिदं पुण्यं यः पठेत् प्रयतः पुमान् विष्णोः पदमवाप्नोति भयशोकविवर्जितः। गीताध्ययनशीलस्य प्राणायामपरस्य च नैव सन्ति हि पापानि पूर्वजन्मकृतानि च। मलनिर्मोचनं पुंसां जलस्नानं दिने दिने सकृद्गीताम्भसि स्नानं संसारमलनाशनम्। गीता सुगीता कर्तव्या किमन्यैः शास्त्रविस्तरैः या स्वयं पद्मनाभस्य मुखपद्मात् विनिसृता। भारतामृत सर्वस्वं विष्णोर्वक्त्रात् विनिसृतं गीता गङ्गोदकं पीत्वा पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते। सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। एकं शास्त्रं देवकी पुत्र गीतम् एको देवो देवकी पुत्र एव एको मन्त्रस्तस्य नामानि यानि कर्माप्येकं तस्य देवस्य सेवा। अथ ध्यानम्। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्। यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुदः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदः क्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्तं न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः। अथ गीता माहात्म्यम्। गीताशास्त्रमिदं पुण्यम्।
Astu. Now we'll come to the exercise. Who have been able? I got reply by WhatsApp by about 3 people. We will discuss that. But anybody has attempted? Unmute yourself and say yes. I attempted. I could solve, could not solve, whatever it is.
Yes.
अहं प्रयत्नं करोमि
हाँ.
लिङ्गम् अर्थं केचित् डिफिकल्टी ऐ विल् डिस्कस्
भवती एकवारं
लिङ्गम् अर्थं
न एकक्षणं भगिनी. यू सेड अहं प्रयत्नं करोमि और कृतवती. अहं प्रयत्नं कृतवती अथवा करोमि. कृतवती इज आई ट्राइड एंड I प्रयत्नं करोमि means I
ओके ओके कृतवती
अहं प्रयत्नं कृतवती.
अहं प्रयत्नं कृतवती.
हाँ.
लिङ्गम् अर्थं डिक्शनरी दृष्टि प्रयत्नं कृतवती. विभक्तिवचनं रूपं विभक्ति
शब्दकोशे भवती सर्वाणां सर्वेषां शब्दानाम् अर्थं ज्ञातवती वा?
सर्वेषां
शब्दानाम् अर्थं ज्ञातवती वा?
नो नास्ति.
हाँ. Okay. Now I'll go one by one. I'll just share the screen so that I don't know whether it is visible. Is it visible? दृश्यते वा? अभ्यासः प्रथमः अभ्यासः न दृश्यते. अहं न जानामि किं. हाँ.
दृश्यते.
दृश्यते महोदय.
अस्तु. इदानीं so Atman, what is the lingam?
Napumsaka?
No. Why napumsaka?
Pullinga.
It is a pullinga. Okay. And now what is the ending word, ending letter? Atman, it
Nakar.
nakar. Okay.
Nakaran.
So which rule you will apply? Here I have given table number 3. प्रथमा एक
लोपः भवति.
वैशिष्ट्यं यदि अन्ते न अस्ति चेत् लोपः भवति, उपधा दीर्घः भवति. तर्हि अत्र करोतु. आत्मन्.
Sir, you have not shared that table. Only this page was there.
No. I had sent this halanta shabdanam vibhakti pratyaya long back.
Oh.
If you are not downloaded, okay, I'll send it again once more.
Yes. Yeah, okay. Once again, please. Yeah, once again, please.
Okay, let me ask others whether everybody had received this earlier. Halanta shabdanam vibhakti pratyaya.
Yes, sir.
So anyway, for the sake of some who were not able to download, I'll send it again. Okay, prathama ekvajanasya vaishishyam. This is for all the words. If the ending word is ending later is na, and prathama ekvachan, that is 1.1. So na will vanish, lopaha bhavati, anantara upadha dirgha bhavati. Tarhi atra kim bhavati? Atman shabdasya
Atma.
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 Huh? And I have taken all these words from Gitayaha Ekadasha Shlokaha, Ekadasha Adhyayaha. Aham Atma Gudakesh Sarvabhuta Shraya Sthitaha. So Atman, here it will get Atma, and I just wanted you to apply these rules and check whether it tallies with Gita Adhyaya. That's all. Then, I mean, I have received 3 replies. All I have done. Then the last 2 columns here, where to see, you choose any other vibhakti of that, vibhakti and vachan, and try to find out some form and tell me here. So anybody wants to try? Apart from 1.1.
Prathama dvivachan atmanau.
No. Here, okay, I mean,
Atmano.
yeah. So here, there was some, I mean, maybe I am not able to include that. It is Atmanav. Okay. Atma, Atmanav, Atmanaha, Atmanam, Atmanav, Atmanaha. So up to Prathama, that here I think, let me see the table. Something like Mahan. Mahan, Mahantav, Mahantaha, Mahantam, Mahantav, Mahataha. So the Dirgha will be up to 2.2. I think I have not included it. I'll include that. But at least you have tried. No problem. Very good. Okay. The second letter is Jyotish. And 6.3. So there is no special rule here. The table is here. First table itself. So 6.3, what is the Pratyaya? Am. Add that to Jyotish. What will this one?
Jyotisham.
Jyotisham. What is the shloka? Whether it is Gita shloka. Aham Atma Gudakesh Sarvabhuta Swayastita. And then Nakshatranam Aham Shashi. What is? Anybody can remember? Jyotisham.
Jyotisham Ravishu.
Jyotisham Raviranchuman. Okay. So immediately next is Anshumat. And again here, Mat, I have given table number 2. Sorry. In Mat, table number 2, there are few words which end in At, Vat, and Mat. And yes, of course. So, these I have given here the pratyayas. So, ending with Mat will be I had taken an example, Buddhimat. There it is Anshumat. So Buddhiman, Buddhimantav, Buddhimantaha, Buddhimantam, Buddhimantav, Buddhimataha, up to 2.2. Okay. So what will be Anshumat?
Anshuman.
Yeah, go ahead. Anshuman, Anshumantav,
Anshumanta, Anshumantam, Anshumantav, Anshumataha.
Anshumataha. In the last 2.3, na doesn't come there. Okay. And now you choose any other vibhakti. So 1.1, it will tally Jyotisham Raviranjuman. This, whatever the vibhaktis I have given here, that was just to tally that you apply the process as per given in the table and see whether it, I mean, your work is tally. Now, Anshuman, you choose any other vibhakti and tell me the rupa.
Saptami ekvachan Anshumati.
Anshumati, Uttamam, very good. Okay. I mean, there is nothing, just apply the rule, except somewhere maybe I have not included like Atman up to 2.2 is okay. Then,
Anshumanam,
huh?
Anshumanam,
No, which vibhakti? First tell me.
Dvitiya Ekvachan,
Ditya Ekvachan, what is the pratyaya? So just add to Anshumat, and here mat pratyanda mantam is rupam. So buddhimantam,
okay,
anshumantam. Why is it mantam? Where does ma come from? Just apply
okay,
table 2. Huh? Okay, choose any other vibhakti
thank you, sir.
for Anshumat.
Amshumatabhyam.
Anshumadbhyam. You go to table number, 1 minute. Table number 5. So if the ending word is the, it will become the, and the pratyaya will be applied. So Anshumad becomes Anshumad, Anshumadbhyam. Okay. Any other? I mean,
Mahodaya, sir,
huh?
sir, which page in the Gita Sopanam you are now teaching?
Pardon?
Which page?
No, I'm not.
Gita Sopanam now you.
I'm not teaching from the book right now.
Okay.
I'm just, whatever I had given notes earlier, I'm teaching from that so that it will cover a vast portion in your book.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Now the third, let us say Marut. Marut and Anshumat are same in the sense they end both in the, but Marut doesn't have mat here. So that this this ending with mat special treatment that is not given to Marut. So can somebody try for Marut?
Marudhyam.
Yeah, that is a Dvivachan of Tritiya Chaturthi Panjami. But 6.3,
Marutam.
Yeah, Maruta, Maruto, Marutam.
Marutam. 6.3.
Marutam. And Prathama and Dvitiya Vibhakti,
मरुत मुरुतौ मरुतः मरुतं मरुतौ मरुतः
Marutaha. Very good. Tritiya,
Maruta, Marudhyam, Marudbihi.
very good. Chaturthi,
Marute, Marute, Marubhyam, Marutyah,
Panchami,
Marutaha,
Marutya,
Marudhyam.
Marutya, Marudhyah.
only one person at a time. The madam who started Marut, she only will speak. Others will just listen. Otherwise, nobody will understand. Okay. So Marutaha, Marudham, Marudha. Shashti,
Marutaha, Marutoho,
Ah.
Marutam.
Very good. Saptami,
Maruti, Marutoho, Su.
Marutsu. Nothing, no.
Marut,
Marutsu. And Sambodhan. Sambodhan will be same,
मरुतः
unless it is
हे
special.
मरुतौ हे मरुतः
He Marut, He Marut, He Marutaha. Okay, we'll go to Shashin. Now here ending is na, so the special treatment comes here. Ending in na, prathama ekvachan will be na lopa
Shashi.
and upadha dirgha.
शशि
Shashi. So nakshatra aham shashi. That is the Lord Krishna's words. Okay. So are you familiar with the word shashi?
शशि नपुंसकलिंग वा
Who told you napusakalingam? Just because ending is na, it is napusakaling. No.
Nakaranta Pullinga.
Nakaranta pullinga. And the meaning is
Chandra.
Moon.
moon,
Moon.
Chandra.
चंद्र
So nakshatranam aham shashi. I am I am the moon in the celestial bodies. That is what Krishna says, not me. Huh? Okay, now next is manas. Hmm? Indriyanam manaschasmi. Now here ending is and this is napusakalingi shabda. So we have to go to, I mean, I will open that. Halantanam vibhakti. Then last table number 6, 6.1, 2, 3 and all that. So ending in sa, napusakalinga shabdaha, payah, payasi, payansi. Again, same ditya, payah, payasi, payansi. So what will be manas?
Manaha.
Yes. Manaha,
मनसि मनांसि
yes. Ditya also.
मनसि मनांसि
Ma-
मनः
huh,
मनसि मनांसि
Manansi. Ditya also same thing. Now we'll go to Tritiya onwards. There is no restriction. So add these
Sir,
pratyayas.
sir, Manas actually, if you do something which Manas tells me, is it Mana coming?
No, no, no. Manah, original pratipadikam is manas.
Yeah.
Okay. So apply this
सकारांत
sakaranta shabdaha, not akaranta mana. No.
Yes, yes, sir, it is Sakaranta, but in the Bhagavad Gita, when the word is Manas tells me,
Huh?
what will be the something it says? It is Mana or Manas?
No, no, no. It is manaha. Okay. Prathama
Manaha.
vibhakti vachan will be manaha. Like payaha, payasi, payansi. Payaha, payasi, payansi. Manaha, manasi, manansi. Manaha, manasi, manansi. Okay, and then the vibhakti, indriyana manaschasmi, that shakar, visarga becomes shakar because of sandhi, that is something different. Right now, we are not going there.
Ah, okay, okay.
Then, Tritiya onwards, can somebody say?
मनसा मनोभ्यां मनोभि
Ah,
मनसे मनोभ्यां मनोभ्य मनसः मनोभ्यां मनोभ्य
ah,
मनसः मनसोः
ah.
मनसां
Hmm.
मनसि मनसोः मनसत्सु
Manassu, double
मनसस्तु
sa will be there because
मनसु
one sa from manas itself and su from the pratyaya. Manaha, manasi, manasoho, manassu. And
हे
again,
मनः हे
he
मनसि हे
manaha, he
मनांसि
manau, he manasa. Oh, he manaha, he manasau,
हे
he manasaha.
मनसि
Hmm? Now, manasa shabda, manasa tritiya ekvachan. Have you heard anywhere? Huh?
मनसा सततं स्मरणीयं
Manasa satatam smaraniyam. Okay. So, what will be the meaning? Tritiya,
मनसा
manasa,
से
say,
इंस्ट्रूमेंट
instrument. Yes. Okay. And okay, manasa satatam smaranam, Sanskrit Bharatyaha Geetam. Any other place we have seen manasa?
Manasa smarami.
Huh? Manasa smarami. Then kayena
Kaya
vacha
vacha manasa. Kaya vacha manasa.
yeah, kaya vacha manasa. So, I mean, these are very
मनसा
common words,
स्मरणीयं
but please remember that it is the Tritiya Ekvachan of manas. Okay, now we'll go to the next one.
Mahodaya, Dvachanam,
Yes,
Manasabhyam or Manobhyam.
manobhyam. That also I have given here
Oh.
in which table? Let me see. Table number 5. If the sa becomes o, if the pratyaya starts with bha, manobhyam, manobhihi, manobhyaha, like that.
Okay, Dhanyavad.
Huh? Okay.
Okay.
So now we'll go to next. Now yaksha rakshas. Vittesho yaksha rakshasam.
வேலை பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். உன் ஃப்ரெண்டுக்கு ரிப்ளை பண்ணிருக்கேன்,
Pardon?
எழுதியிருக்கேன், கிளாஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன்.
Hello.
இங்க சுஜாதா
Please address to me and not among yourself.
I hear.
So yaksha rakshas, actually yaksha rakshas is a samas. Two kinds of
Funny.
one. Okay. Hello. Background noise. Gayatri. Gayatri. Mute yourself. Yeah, I have muted her. Now again, I'll start sharing the screen. Is the screen visible now?
No.
Yeah, now.
आं महोदय
Yeah. So yaksha rakshas. Yaksha rakshas is samas, yaksha and rakshas. Now forget about yaksha, we will take that later. Rakshas. It is again napusakalinga shabda, ending in sa, so exactly like manas. Okay, and the meaning, what we call rakshas, rakshasa in akaranta pullinga shabda, same meaning sakaranta napusakalinga shabda, rakshas, the demons. So 6.3, apply the rule. 6.3 vibhakti.
Yaksha Rakshasam.
Sam, okay, rakshasam. So vittesho yaksha rakshasam tallies with the Gita. Take any other vibhakti. I mean, forget about yaksha. Just tell me about rakshas.
रक्षोभ्यः
Rakshobhya,
चतुर्थी
correct. Yeah.
कोडर्थी
Yeah, raksho.
रक्षोः
Yeah, yaksha rakshoho.
द्विवचनं
Yeah, no, yaksha rakshasoho.
रक्षसोः
Okay, Shashti Dvivachan or Saptami Dvivachan. Sir doesn't go off there. Sir remains, only you have to add the pratyaya yaksha rakshasoho. Okay, next is Shikharin. You know the meaning of Shikharin?
peaks
Huh?
peak
No, Shikhar is peak, Shikhar Dhawan. But Shikharin. Okay. In pratyaya is another peculiar, this one like mat and vat. What is the meaning of mat and vat? One who has that. Okay. Like buddhimat means one who has buddhi. So Shikharin is also Shikharmat. I mean, you can, I will give another word with mat for that after a few minutes. So Shikharin also means Shikharmat. So one who has Shikhar. Shikhar is peak. Who has the peak?
mountains
Mountain.
Yeah.
So Shikharin means mountain. Okay. And so now apply the normal rule ending with nakar, and this is pullinga shabda, not napusakalinga shabda.
Shikarinam
Yeah, Shikharinam 6.3. But give me Prathama Ekvachan.
Shikhari.
Shikhari. Like Shashi. Shashin, Shashi. So Shikharin, Shikhari. Okay. And I said I will give you one word with mat. Is Sanumat. Okay. Sanu is again Shikhar. The meaning of Sanu is again peak, Shikhar. So when you use Shikhar, it is Shikharin. When you use Sanu, it is Sanumat. And what will be the Prathama Ekvachan of Sanumat?
Hanumat.
Sanuman.
Hanuman, like Bhagwan.
Or like Buddhiman. Okay, both mean the mountain, that's all. Prathama Ekvachan differs. Okay, Purodhas.
Mahodaya,
Huh?
this Shikarin, why it doesn't go like Gunin or Seshin? Instead of it goes like Hanumat, Bhagavat or Buddhimat?
No, sorry, Narayana Mahodaya. It goes like Shashin and Gunin only. I said another equivalent word for that, Sanumat.
Oh,
That Sanumat goes like Buddhiman. So Buddhiman,
yes.
Buddhimantav, Buddhimantaha, Sanuman, Sanumantav, Sanumantaha. And Shikarin will be like Shashin. Shikhari, Shikharinam, Shikharinaha. Shikharinam, Shikharinam, Shikharinaha. Like that. Okay, Purodhas. Now here, Purodhas and Manas both end in Sakar. But Purodhas is a Pullingi Shabda. Manas is a Napusakalingi Shabda. So Manas, we applied the table number 6.1, like Payaha, Payasi, Payansi, Manaha, Manasi, Manansi. But for Purodhas, since it is Pullingi Shabda, that tables in Article 6 is not applicable. So normal Sakarant, I have given in table number 3. Prathama Ekvachanasya Vaishishyam. Sakaras becomes Visarga, and Upadha means the penultimate letter becomes Dirgha. So Purodhas will become.
Purodhasaha.
Why Saha? I said Saha.
Purodhasam. Purodhasam.
No. Sa will become.
No.
No, sorry. Sa will
Purodhaha.
and the penultimate A will become Dirgha. So Purodhaha.
Purodhaha.
Dha will become Dha. Upadha Dirgha means before sa is the ending letter, na? The letter before that is A. A becomes A. And sa becomes Dirgha. So Purodha.
Purodhaha.
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 Purodhaha, Purodhasau, Purodhasaha, Purodhasam, Purodhasau, Purodhasaha. And Shashti Bahuvachan Am Pratyay Purodhasam. Okay. And Dvitiya Ekvachan will be
Purodhasam.
Purodhasam. Okay. And Shashti Bahuvachan Purodhasam. Purodhasam cha viddhim mam mukhyam.
Purodhatsu.
No, Purodhasam.
Saptami Bahuvachan.
Saptami
Bahuvachan. Purodhatsu.
Purodhasu. Okay. Now Saras. Saras is again Napusakalingi Shabda like Manas. And the meaning of Saras is
Jalashaya.
Jalashaya.
What?
Okay, lake. Tadagaha. Jalashaya. But
Tadaga.
Jalashaya and Tadagaha both are Pullingi Shabdas. Here Saras is a Napusakalingi Shabda, meaning the same object. No change. So what will be the forms?
Sarasa, Saranso, Saransaha.
Saraha, Sarasi, Saransi.
Which table you are applying? Which rule?
Napusankali Manas. Manansi. Saransi. Saras.
No.
Saraha, Sarasi, Saransi.
Saraha, Sarasi, Saransi. And 6.3 will be?
Sarasam.
Sarasah.
Sarama.
Sarasoho, Sarasam.
Sarasam.
Sarasam. Sarasaha, Sarasoho, Sarasam. Sarasam asmi Sagaraha. I am the ocean when you talk of the water bodies. Okay, Uchchaishravas again. It is a Sakaranta pulling shabda, like Purodas. So Prathama Ekvachan will be no.
Shravasau.
No,
Uchchai Shravasau.
no. Hold on. I asked Prathama Ekvachan. Apply number 3. I mean rule number 3 here.
Uchchai Shravasau.
I am asking Prathama Ekvachan. Uchchai Shravaha.
Shravaha.
Sa becomes Visarga and Upadha Dirgha. Upadha means the penultimate letter before Sa.
Shravaha.
Shravaha.
Okay, Shravaha.
Anybody know?
Uchchai Shravaha.
Uchchai Shravaha. Uchchai Shravasau. Uchchai Shravasaha. Uchchai Shravasam. Uchchai Shravasau. Uchchai Shravasaha. Uchchai Shravasa. Uchchai Shravobhyam. Uchchai Shravobhihi. Like that. Sakarasya okara bhavati yadi bha pratyaya asti tat. Okay. Then Kama.
Uchchaishravas means what? Horse.
Uchchaishravas is the horse of Indra.
Okay.
Indrasya Ashwasya Nama Uchchaishravaha. Okay. I don't know why. Okay. I'm just saying the meaning. Okay. We'll forget about Kamduk right now. We'll come to Yadas. You know what is Yadas?
Yeah. No, sir. Meaning didn't get from dictionary.
Huh? Could you find out what is Yadas?
Jaladevatas.
Jaladevatas, yeah, something like that. Okay. I mean, it is used either for devatas or the creatures who stay in the ocean or water, whatever. So he says Varuno Yadasamaham. Okay. So 6.3 Pratyaya is Am Yadasam. And now, since it is Naposakalinga Shabdaha, it will go like Manas. So Yadaha Yadasi Yadamsi, Yadaha Yadasi Yadamsi.
Yadasi, Yadansi.
Yeah, same. Like Manas. Then Aryaman. Here it is Nakaranta Pullingi Shabda. Artha is Surya again. Okay. I mean, as Surya or some Devata.
Pitrus, no?
So Prathama Ekvachan.
Aryama namak Pitar. The meaning is given there, sir.
Okay, Pitar. Very good. No problem. So what will be Prathama Ekvachan?
Aryama.
Aryama. Okay. Then any other Vibhakti? Dvivachan?
Aryamanam, Dvitiya Vibhakti. Ekvachan.
Why Manam? Who said Manam? Where does Ma?
Aryamanam.
No. Why
Dvitiya
Ma?
Vibhakti Ekvachan.
Why Ma? It is Ma there. Aryamanam.
Aryamanam. Okay.
Aryamanam.
Aryamanau, Aryamanaha.
Yeah. Okay. Only thing is that there you have to check whether it becomes Aryamanaha.
Okay. Sir, this is in which sloka? Which number sloka? Aryaman is coming?
Let me check up. Where is my Gita Pustakam? Pitrunam Varyama, something like that.
Oh, okay. 29. 10:29.
Yeah, let me check. Open the book. Yeah, Pitrunam Aryama Chasmi. So Pitrunam means in the Pitars, I am the Aryama. Okay, Sayamat.
Pullinga.
6.3 will be Am Sayamatam.
So what is the meaning of Sanyamat, sir?
Sayamat, one who is Sanyami. I mean, who can control the Indriyas.
Okay, Sanyam. Okay.
Okay, Sanyam.
प्रथमा एकवचन संयमान.
No. Here, I mean, there is a slight change here because this is not mat pratyayanta, it is just at pratyayanta. Because the dhatu is yam dhatu. Tam is the upasarga, yam is the dhatu, and pratyaya is at, not mat. Okay. So at pratyayanta what?
So like Gachat, Sanyaman,
Yeah.
Sanyamantav,
Yeah.
Sanyamantah.
Sayamantau, Sayamantaha, Sayamantam, Sayamantau, Sayamataha. Okay. That is because the ending letter of the dhatu is ma. You add at pratyay, it appears to be mat pratyay, but it is not. And anybody knows the yama dhatu? How does it go?
No, sir.
No. It is not yamati, yamataha, yamanti. Yachati, yachataha, yachanti. Anyway, that is a separate. We will not go into the Tingandas right now. Okay, Kalayat.
So what is the meaning of Kalayat, sir?
Kala is the dhatu. Kalayati means to count. Counting.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So what is the meaning of Kalayat? One who counts. And who counts better than, I mean, who is the best counter in the world?
Chitragupta?
No.
Time.
When the time. No.
Kala.
Kal. So what he says is Kala Kalayata.
Kala Kalayatamaham. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am the time among the counters. I will not leave you like that. This is Sri Krishna.
So it is a Punglinga, right?
Pardon?
It is a Punglinga word?
Yeah, actually, it is Shatru Pratyanta. We'll come to that. Okay. It is a Pullinga Shabda. And the dhatu is Kal, Kalayati. And add Shatru Pratyaya, it becomes Kalayat.
So it will go like Marut.
It will go like Marut.
Gachat.
No, sorry. It will go like Gachat. Gacchando.
Gachat.
Kalayan, Kalyantau, Kalyantaha. Kalayantam.
Kalyantam, Kalyantav, Kalyantaha.
Yeah. Okay. Now Pakshin. This is like Shashin. Very simple.
Pakshiyon mein.
Pakshi, Pakshinam, Pakshinaha. And in 6.3, Pakshinam. Okay.
It is Pullinga.
Yeah, Pakshi has to be Pullinga. And Vinateyashcha Pakshinam. In the I am Garuda. Vainateya is Garuda. Then Pavat. Pavat is again Shatru Pratyayanta.
Vayu.
No. It doesn't. Vayu, but what is the meaning of Pavat? The literal meaning.
That moves constantly.
No.
Purifies.
No. Pu Punati is Dhatu. Add Shatru Pratyaya, it becomes Pavat. Pu Punati is to purify. Okay, so purify. I am the purifier means if the cyclone is there, it will carry away everything, na? I am purifier. I mean, when the cyclone comes, nothing remains, all the dirt goes away, like that. So Pavana Pavatamasmi. Then Shastra Brut. Again,
शस्त्रधारियों में
Who carries weapons?
but how it will go? It is like Marut, nothing else. Shastra Brut, Shastra Brutau, Shastra Brutaha, Shastra Brutam, Shastra Brutau, Shastra Brutaha. Like Marut, there is no special treatment.
मरुत.
But this is Napumsaklinga, Shastrabhut?
No, why?
पुल्लिंग.
Pullinga, Shastra Brut.
Okay.
And what about Pavat, sir? Pavat is what, sir?
Pullinga.
पुल्लिंग. Okay.
Okay. And see, wherever Shatru Pratyam we have not yet discussed. That is, I think, toward the end of the course, but somewhere in between I will cover that. Just keep it in your mind where the Shatru Pratyaya is there. The Prathama Ekvachan, whatever will be there, to that you add Ti. So Pavan, Pavantau, Pavantaha, Pavanti becomes the Strilinga Rupa. Like Gachan, Gachandau, Gachantaha. So Gachanti, Gachantyau, Gachantyaha. Like Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha. Gachanti, Gachantyau, Gachantyaha. And a lady who is going, Gachanti. Gachan, Gachanta, Gachanta, a man who is going. Pavan, Pavanto, Pavanta, one who purifies, a man who purifies. In this case, Vayu Devata. If it is lady, Pavanti, Pavantyau, Pavantyaha. Okay. And if it is a Napusakalinga word, then like your Vari, Varini, Varini, Pavat, Pavati, Pavanti, Gachat, Gachati, Gachanti, like that. Anyway, we'll come to the Shabda Rupas later. Let us complete this. Pravadat. Again, this is Shatru Pratyaya and the pra is the Upasarga, Vad Dhatu, At Pratyaya. So this will go like table number 3. Table number 2. At Pratyayanta. Nantau. So Pravadan, Pravadantau, Pravadantaha, Pravadantam, Pravadantau, Pravadataha. And then through the onwards, like Pravadata, Pravadadhyam, Pravadadhi.
Sir, Prabhadat meaning?
What is the meaning of Vadat?
To say.
No, Vada is to say. Vadat is one who says. And Pravadat is one who says loudly.
Okay.
Okay. Vada Pravadatamaham means those who start telling each other loudly, I am the quarrel between them. Vadaha. Bhavishyat.
And this is Punglinga or?
Pullinga. All are Pullingas. Napusakalinga, I will specially say that it is Napusakalinga. Again here, the Strilinga Shabda will be Pravadanti and Napusakalinga. Okay, now I think you asked a question. Let me clarify more. All these Pravadat or Gachat, they are the Pratipadiks. They are not Pullinga, Napusakalinga, nothing. Okay. When you want to make it a Pullinga, Prathama Ekvachan, it will be like Gachan, Gachantau, Gachanta. When you want to make Strilinga, it will be Gachanti, Gachantyau, Gachantyaha. And if you want to make it Napusakalinga, it is Gachat, Gachati, Gachanti. Okay. So it is just a Pratipadik. You want to make it Pullinga, and all the three. Okay, Bhavishyat.
At like Gachat, sir.
Yeah, it is like Gachat. Bhavishyan, Bhavishyanto, Bhavishantaha. But
Bhavishantam, Bhavishantau, Bhavishanta.
what is the meaning?
Will.
One who is going to happen.
Future.
It has not come to existence right now. I mean, he or she or it, whatever it is. Yet to be born, or yet to take shape. Okay. Udbhavascha bhavishatam. For those who are going to happen, I am the Udbhava. I mean, that is Udbhava means Janma or whatever it is. Now Chandas. Bhavishyat is Shatru. Wherever the Shatru Pratyayanta, it is only the Pratipadikam. There is no Pullinga, Napasakalinga, Strilinga. You have to add Pratyaya, Gachan, Gacchantau, Gachantaha, or Gacchanti, Gachantyau, Gacchantyaha. Like that. Okay, Chandas. Chandas is Napasakalinga Shabda, meaning Vedas. Okay, in this context. Okay. Bhurat Samnam. Gayatri Chandasamaham. Okay, here Chanda means the meter or the, what do you say, Anushtup Chanda, Shardul Vikriti Chanda, like that. Gayatri Chanda, the type of poetry. So, Chandasam. Then Chalayat. Again, this is Shatru Pratyayanta.
Sir, Chandas will be going like Manas.
Huh? Yeah, Manas.
Chandas.
Yes, exactly. Chandaha, Chandasi, Chandansi. Okay. Now, toward the end, I'll just mention some more thing. Okay. Now, let me see how many are there. Chandas. Chalayat, again, it is a Shatru Pratyayanta. So, Chalayat means one who cheats. Chal kapat. So, Chalayat is Shatru. So, Chalayan, Chalayantau, Chalayantaha. And Shashti Bhavachan will be Chalayatam. Dyutam Chalayatam Asmi. The cheaters.
This is also Pratipadikam or it is?
Yeah, it is a Pratipadikam. Okay. But if you say
Gachatan.
Ekvajan will be Chalayan Chalayantau, like Gachan Gachantau. Tejas is a Napusakaling Shabda. Okay. Now, Tejas and Chetas. Okay, I'll just, this one, by themselves they are Napusakaling Shabdas. So it will go like Manas or Payas. Tejaha, Tejasi, Tejansi. Okay. In this one, Chetas, Chetaha, Chetasi, Chetansi. But these two words, if they are coming in a compound word, meaning a Pullingi Shabda, like Mahatejas, whose tejas is very great, and it is a Pullingi Shabda. So then it will go like, here I will show you, Shravas or Purodhas or Vedas or Chandramas. Okay. So Mahateja, the Prathama Ekvachan, a Pullingi Shabda. Though Tejas is Napusakalingi Shabda, at the end of a compound, if it is indicating a Pullingi Shabda, then the same, that Sakarasya Lopa, Upadha, Dirgha and all that. Mahatejaha, Mahatejasau, Mahatejasaha, Mahatejasam, Mahatejasau, Mahatejasaha. Same thing like Chetas. Chetas means mind. So Chetaha, Chetasi, Chetansi is Napusakalingi Shabda, meaning mind, Mana, Manasi, Manasi, Chetaha, Chetasi, Chetansi. But if it comes at the end of compound, Samas, Prachami Pam Dharma Sambuddha Chetaha. You remember the second chapter, Arjuna is telling Krishna, Prachami Pam Dharma Sambuddha Chetaha. That entire Dharma Sambuddha Chetas is the word. Chetas is coming at compound. So Dharma Sammuda Manaha Yasya Saha, or Dharma Sammuda, I mean, because of the, what do you say, complexity of dharma, what to be done, what is not to be done, and to be or not to be. Because of that, my mind is confused. Sammuda is confused. So dharmena sammudaha chetaha yas chetas chetaha yasya saha. So that, but it is pullinga shabda at the end. So it will go like table number 3, that sakarasya lopa upada dirgha, so dharma sammuda chetaha. Okay, Tejaswin, like Shashin again. Tejasvi, Tejasvinau, Tejasvina.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, Tejas is powerful.
Tejas is the power or the brightness, or I mean, Teja itself is a word. This one.
Probably Kanti Yukta.
Huh?
Kanti Yukta. I don't know. I thought it can be a synonym.
No, Tejas is brightness, but Tejaswin is the bright, the person who has the brightness.
But in the sloka it says Tejas Namaham.
Tejasvinamaham. That those who have the brightness, I am the bright. So those who are bright, I am the brightness of them.
Is it like sun or
Huh?
what actually it means? It's like
The
sun.
aura around people.
No. What it means we will cover in Gita Sopan 4.
Okay.
Right now, our aim is to learn the words
Okay.
of their form. Okay. Now, Sattvavat. Again, it is Vat Pratyayanta, because Sattva itself is a Pratipadikam. What you add, those who have Sattva, I mean, their own, what you say, virtue, own qualities. Sattvam Sattvavatamaham. So 6.3, Am Pratyaya Sattvavatam. Damayat is again Shatru Pratyayanta, one who tires the enemy, tires the others. So Damayan, Damayantau, Damayantaha, and Strilinga will be Damayanti, Damayantyau, Damayantyaha. 6. Damayatam. Dando Damayatam Asmi means I am the Danda is the power of
दमन करने वाला दमयत.
Punishing, no?
नहीं दमयन
नाश करने वाला नाश.
not Nash. Danda is what? The rule. Now in this ongoing case.
Ongoing case.
Punishment. Danda is punishment. So those who give the punishment, they have the Damayan. Okay. Kanun. Danda means. Okay. Jigishat is one who wants to win. Okay. One who wants to win others. Niti Rasmi Jigishatam. Those who want to win. I'm the Niti, I'm the rule of law, whatever it is. Okay, Jnanavat. Again, Jnana is a Pratipadikam. So what Pratyayanta? Jnanavat. So Jnanavatam. Vibhuti Mat and Shri Mat. Here, again, this is a Pratipadikam. Even Jnanavat is a Pratipadikam. So if it is Pullinga, it is Jnanavan, Jnanavantau, Jnanavantaha. If it is Napusakalinga, Jnanavat, Jnanavati, Jnanavanti. Like Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti. Vibhuti Mat, again, if it is a Pullinga, Mat Pratyayanta, Vibhutiman, Vibhutimantau, Vibhutimantaha. But if it is Strilinga, it will be Vibhutimati, Vibhutimatyau, Vibhutimatyaha. And Napusakalinga Shabda, Vibhutimat, Vibhutimati, Vibhutimanti. Like Srimat, again, here in Gita, yad yad vibhutimat sattvam shrimat urjitamay baba. So there it is a napusaklinga shabda, not pullinga. If it is pullinga, it will be shrimat,
Shriman,
shriman, shrimanto, shrimantaha. But if it is
like Buddhimat.
like buddhimat, but if it is napusakalingi shabda, it will be shrimat,
Srimat.
shrimati, shrimanti, jagat, jagati, jaganti. Table number 6.2 or 3 or something like that. Okay. Now,
6.1.
yeah, 6.1. Okay. So this is the discussion on the abhyasa. Now, will you be able to do again? Okay. In the light of what we have discussed today, will you be able to? And the last two columns, you choose any other vibhakti and vachan and write down the form applying these tables.
Sir, how to send to you? Is it through WhatsApp? Do we have to send it to
Yeah,
you or?
actually, I was waiting for Anupodaya. She has not yet come today. Anyway, no problem. I have loaded this. If for the timing, you can send me by WhatsApp. Just take a photo and send me. 3 or 4
Okay.
people have sent me, and I said we will discuss in the class. So whether Lakshmi Bhagini has come today?
Aha, Mahoday.
No. I don't know. I replied to one Lakshmi Mohan.
Yeah, I am. Yeah.
So you are
You
there.
replied
Okay.
Mahalakshmi.
Mahalakshmi, okay, because in your the phone number against that it was given Lakshmi Mohan.
They have added like that. The group they have added like that.
Yeah, no, in my mobile.
Hmm.
So your name is Mahalakshmi. Okay, I'll change that. So
Okay.
I told you that I will discuss this in this one. Are you satisfied?
Yeah. And I think I have to make some corrections. Can I send the fresh one again?
No problem. Yeah, most welcome. Okay, and in the last two columns I said the same word, not choose any other word, the same word which is given in the column number 1, you choose any other vibhakti vachan and try whether you are able to use the rules and give me the forms.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, uh, then
Sir, please share the table again once again so
yeah,
that I
I'll
can
send it
write.
today itself right now. Okay,
Yes,
after
yes.
that.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Because this I sent long back. I don't know if you have missed. It is okay, no problem. But keep that. I mean, take a printout and keep it with you handy, so that it is a ready reckoner. Instead of going through this one, this is in just the crux of the whole thing.
Okay.
Okay. Now I will just share you this. I will give you only next time. Okay, this Bhagavad Gita for 10th chapter, the Vibhuti Yoga, I have given the list of words in the first exercise. Then I went through your textbook. I found out many words. Okay. Then I added few of them, a few of some of my choice, which you may not be knowing. And I came out with a big list about 100 and odd words. Okay, I'll just show you that. I will not give you right now, but just see here. I'll in I have not stopped sharing the screen. I'll share the screen again.
Drishyate Mahodaya.
1 minute, 1 minute. It is, I think it is gone somewhere. Okay. Here what I would for, okay, I'll go to the last page first. There are 20 classes. Okay. In Pullinga, there are 10 classes. In Strilinga, there are 6 classes. And in Napusakalinga Shabdas, there are 4 classes. All put together 20. Okay. I mean, don't get frightened. Okay. The table number 1 that I have given you, it serves 98% of the cases, except for Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan, or say, what you say, where the bha is there, change sir to o, and the first that 3 pages or 2 pages I have given, Halanda Shabdanam Vibhakti Pratyaya, that serve all the cases, except that you have to, I mean, whether mat is there at the end or at is there. So like that. So now I see 129 words I could find. If you concentrate only on 20, the leader of each group. Here, what I have done is, like this 110 is Vachas. This is the leader of all this. Sakaranta Napusakalinga Shabda. In this column, I have given the Lingam, Napusakalinga. Okay. You choose any one of them as leader and apply the rule that I have given in those 2 pages, 6 tables, and make one word, I mean, complete in all its this one. Like that, there are some 20 classes. This is Nakaranta, Napusakalinga. Then Dakaranta, Strilinga, any one of them. So the rest will follow on its own. This we will discuss in tomorrow's class. Okay. Once, I mean, I want you people to become thorough in Halanta Shabdas, so that no this one second thought on how it looks and what is the meaning and all that. Okay. So we will discuss this in tomorrow's class. Now, next 2 minutes are there. I will stop sharing the screen and we'll discuss. Is it understood today is this one? You may have to the table that
Yes, sir.
I given earlier, or the 6 tables. I'm sending you right now after the class by WhatsApp. And if any doubts are there, please feel free to ask me either in the class or in the by WhatsApp.
Sir, one doubt on this Ashtapadi page. How do I search the word?
Which
There
one?
is the grammar page, Ashtapadi.
Ashtapadi.
Yeah. You
Ashtad.
had shared the link.
Ashtadhyay.
Sorry, Ashtadhyay. Ashtadhyay, yeah. How to search the word? Because always you have to type in English, right?
No. I didn't get your question.
Sir, this Ashtadhyay page, how do I search a word?
No. Ashtadhyay is totally different thing. Searching is different. Searching, you have to search in dictionary. If you want to search any word, I will give you the link for the dictionary. I had earlier also I had given. I will give it the link today also. Dictionary, online dictionary. There you have to type the word. It will give the meaning and whether it is Pullinga, Napusakalinga and all that.
Okay.
So, or if you have, I mean, now of course lockdown is there. If you can order online, that is, I will show you here. I got one book. This is the Students Sanskrit English Dictionary by Vaman Shivaram Apte. Okay, this is the book I have for last so many years. I mean, I'm not a ocean of knowledge. If I come across any word which I don't know, I look into this book. What is there? And this is same dictionary has been digitized and put online by University of Chicago. So I will give the link to that. You can, I mean, that is an online dictionary, same thing, available online. So either you buy a book or you search online. The only thing is there, it will not give you the Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan or Vibhakti Pratyaya words will not be given. Only the meaning of Pratipadik will be given. Like Rama will be given, not Ramanam and Ramabhyam and all that will not be given. Same thing about this Halan Shabda, it will give Manas and not Manasa Satatam or all that. That you have to remember. Okay. Now, so we will end here. Samapayamaha. Okay. I will chant the Shanti mantra, then we will stop here today. We'll meet tomorrow again at 10 o'clock. Shvaha अस्मिन् एव समये 10 वर्गे मिलामः. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ओम शांति शांति शांति. नमः सर्वेभ्यः. ओके.